Hi, today I'm going to share with you a recipe of making a liquid aloo paratha. For that we'll be requiring 1 or 2 mashed potatoes. In that I'm adding 240 grams of wheat flour. You can use any flour whichever you use. Some green chilies, coriander leaves. Now let's start by adding the masalas to the mixture. I've added salt as per my taste, some jeera powder, red chili powder, a little bit of crushed black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can use any other oil or ghee, whichever you are comfortable in using, and just give it a mix until you see all the ingredients get mixed up in the flour. Start adding the water slowly into the mixture and keep on stirring till you see there is no lumps in the mixture. And in this whole mixture I've used 1 cup of water, so I'm adding a little bit of haldi just for the color. Now give it a good mix till you see the mixture is completely uniform. Don't make the mixture very thick. It needs to be a little bit in the liquid form so that you can make the parathas easily. So now let's start by making the parathas. Once your batter is ready, we'll pour it evenly on the low heat pan, and once we see it getting cooked on one side, we'll flip it. We'll grease the tawa also with the oil so that it gets fried on both the sides. Finally, the aloo paratha is almost ready. It's best served with curd, pickle or butter, any which way, whichever you like. So you can make rest of the parathas with the batter which is there. So I've made mine. Do comment if you have tried this recipe. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.